Millions of people across the world are drawn to the same kind of leaders: confident, decisive, certain. But this isn't about politics. It's about something much older: your brain. In this video, we'll explore why humans instinctively follow strong leaders, how fear and uncertainty amplify that pull, the difference between dominance and prestige, and how modern media exploits ancient survival wiring. Once you see the pattern, you won't be able to unsee it.
Your countries are going to hell.
1 minute. Well, 1 minute. Come on. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute.
To do the right thing for the American public. I don't want their money. I don't need their money. And I'm the only one up here that can say that.
Trump, Putin, Erdoğan, Maduro. Different countries, different politics. Same pattern. Millions follow them. Millions love them. Why? Rewind 50,000 years. Your tribe, maybe 30 people, faces a threat. Predator nearby, food source drying up, rival tribe approaching. Without coordination, chaos. Everyone runs different directions. Half the tribe dies. With a decisive leader, survival. Someone says, "Follow me," and you follow. Your ancestors who hesitated, they didn't make it. Your brain evolved a followership module. It automatically scans for status signals, assesses leadership potential, and decides, follow or challenge. This isn't conscious, it's instant, automatic, ancient. Two routes to leadership evolved. Route 1, dominance. Be the strongest, most aggressive, most threatening. Route 2, prestige. Be the wisest, most skilled, most generous. Dominance. Do what I say or else. Submission through force. Prestige. Learn from me. Submission through respect. Charisma isn't magic, it's a signal. Research from evolutionary psychology shows charismatic leaders emit specific cues your brain evolved to detect. Height, deep voice, unwavering confidence, direct eye contact. These scream, "I can coordinate this group through crisis." January 2025. Trump says he'll acquire Greenland for national security. Absurd? Maybe. But watch the pattern. Simple message, absolute certainty, no nuance. For followers, anxiety relief. Someone decisive is handling the scary complexity. Here's the formula. Threat plus uncertainty equals craving for strong leaders. Every authoritarian surge in history follows this pattern. Weimar Germany, Russia after Soviet collapse, Turkey after coup attempts. Same mechanism. When you feel threatened, your amygdala activates. This fear center hijacks rational processing. Complex thinking decreases. Simple, binary thinking increases. This is when dominant-style leaders become most appealing. Research shows the more cognitively taxing your environment, the more you crave authoritarian certainty. This isn't about intelligence, it's about bandwidth. Stressed, overwhelmed people default to dominance-following mode. Here's the uncomfortable truth, backed by decades of research. Societies with lower average cognitive ability show stronger preference for authoritarian leaders. This correlation is robust across 71 studies. Lower verbal intelligence correlates with difficulty processing complex, multi-perspective information. When reality feels overwhelmingly complicated, a leader who provides simple, definitive answers feels like rescue. This is a feature, not a bug. It solved ancestral problems. Putin doesn't say, "This situation is complex with multiple stakeholders." He says, "Russia acts decisively." Erdoğan doesn't say, "Let's consider various perspectives." He says, "Turkey is strong under my leadership." Simple, decisive. The data is clear. Higher cognitive ability predicts lower authoritarianism. Higher verbal intelligence predicts less support for dominance leaders, published in Nature Reviews Psychology. Your brain evolved to navigate a tribe of 30 to 50 people. You knew everyone. Everyone knew you. Hierarchies were visible, stable, understandable. Today, you're exposed to millions. What about media? Modern media amplifies dominant signals to unprecedented scale. Trump's "Make America Great Again," 4 words repeated infinitely. Putin's shirtless horseback photos, Erdoğan's massive rallies. These aren't policy platforms, they're dominance displays. And your ancient brain responds. Ancient safeguard. Bad leaders got removed, immediately, violently if necessary. Today, modern authoritarians have military, media control, legal systems, surveillance. The ancestral feedback loop is broken. Watch Maduro in Venezuela. Economic collapse. He blames enemies, promises strength. Crisis deepens. More authoritarianism. This cycle hijacks your threat detection system. Permanent crisis equals permanent need for strong leader. Your followership instinct gets exploited. You're not immune. When threat spikes, you feel it too. That pull toward decisive, dominant figures, the relief of simple answers. This isn't weakness. This is your evolutionary programming doing what it evolved to do. Awareness is the override. When you feel drawn to authoritarian rhetoric, pause. Name what's happening. My followership instinct is activated. I feel threatened. I'm craving certainty. That pause creates choice. Your brain can follow prestige, not just dominance. Prestige leaders admit complexity, invite collaboration, share credit. They're less exciting, less emotionally satisfying, but historically, they build better, more stable societies. Ask, does this leader admit mistakes? Do they tolerate dissent? Do they explain trade-offs? Do they share power? Or do they claim only they have answers? Do they create enemies? Do they demand loyalty? Pattern recognition saves you. Trump's Greenland move? Absurd land grab dressed as security. Putin's wars? Dominance displays killing thousands. Erdoğan's power consolidation? Classic authoritarianism. You can see it. Once you know the pattern, you can't unsee it. Your ancestors needed strong leaders to survive immediate threats. You don't. You live in a world where complex problems need complex solutions, where dominance creates more problems than it solves. Your instinct says, follow the strongest. Your reason can say, or maybe not. The programming is ancient. The choice is yours. See you at the next tribe meeting.